Introduction. Keywords are special reserved words in Python that have specific meanings and functions. They cannot be used as identifiers, meaning you can't use them as names for variables, functions, or any other identifiers. Alright, let's go through an example. First, we create a Python file named keyword_1. Then we write a comment. We want to demonstrate that keywords in Python cannot be used as identifiers. Try using for as a variable name and assign it the value 1, you'll encounter an error. Next, use as a variable and assign it the value of 100, and you'll still get an error. Then, try using the keyword while as a variable and assign a string value to it, again, it results in an error. This shows that keywords cannot be used as identifiers. List of keyword. Here is a comprehensive list of Python keywords along with their purposes. False, the Boolean value representing falsehood. None, represents the null value, often used to signify nothing or no value here. True, the Boolean value representing truth. And, a logical operator used to combine conditional statements. As, used to create an alias while importing a module or in with statements. Assert, used for debugging purposes to check the correctness of code. Async, used to declare an asynchronous function. Await, used to wait for an asynchronous function to complete. Break, breaks out of the current closest in closing loop. Class, used to define a new user-defined class. Continue, continues to the next iteration of the current loop. Def, used to define a function. Del, used to delete a reference to an object. Elif, used in conditional statements, same as else if. Else, used in conditional statements. Except, used with exceptions. What to do when an exception occurs. Finally, used with exceptions, a block of code that will be executed no matter if there is an exception or not. For, used to create a for loop. From, used to import specific parts of a module. Sequence. Is, used to test if two variables are the same object. Lambda, used to create an anonymous function. Non-local, used to declare a non-local variable. Not, a logical operator used to invert the truth value. Or, a logical operator used to combine conditional statements. Pass, a null statement, a placeholder for future code. Raise, used to raise an exception. Return, used to return a value from a function. Try, used to catch exceptions in the try block. While, used to create a while loop. With, used to simplify exception handling. Yield, used to end a function, returns a generator. Keyword in Python has a specific function and plays a unique role in the language's syntax and structure. Understanding these will be key to developing your skills in Python programming.